Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can log in to Wells Fargo online bank. So to get started, first of all, head over to your Google Chrome browser and in the search box, type in Wells Fargo and hit the enter. Now you will be appear with Wells Fargo Bank homepage. Now you can see all the information about the bank and you can see the information about the bank. Now in order to log in, what you can do is right there you can see the sign in to manage your accounts on the left side of your screen. Now here simply type down your username and password, and you can also save the username by simply tapping on save username option. And if you have forgotten your password, you can simply tap on forgot your password in order to reset it. And once it's done, you can simply tap on sign in option and you'll be successfully logged in or signed in to Wells Fargo Bank. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.